Hi everybody! Are you looking to start a blog but don't want to build one from scratch? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to buy a website for blogging on Flippa. Flippa is a trusted marketplace where people buy websites, online businesses, and digital assets. Buying a blog on Flippa can save you time and give you a head start with content, traffic, or revenue. I have mentioned a link in the description to create an account and to be able to buy a website through Flippa. On the homepage, you will see a search bar at the top. Type blog or blog website into the search bar, then hit enter. This will show you all the blog websites currently listed for sale on the platform. To make your search easier, use the filters on the left side of the screen. You can filter by price range, monetization method, niche, age of the site, or monthly traffic. For example, if you want a blog that makes money through ads or affiliate links, check those boxes under monetization. If you only want blogs that are already making money or getting traffic, choose options under revenue or traffic. Now that you have narrowed down your results, click on a listing that interests you. This will open the website's listing page. Take your time to read the description carefully. The seller will usually explain what the blog is about, how it makes money, how much work it takes to run, and why they are selling it. This page also shows key stats like traffic, revenue, expenses, and age of the website. Some sellers also share screenshots, videos, or connected analytics accounts to prove their claims. Scroll down to the performance section. Look at how much traffic the site gets each month. Check if the traffic is growing, stable, or declining. Also, look at revenue. See if the blog earns money from ads, affiliates, or selling products. Keep in mind, not all blogs make money. Some may have potential, but no income yet. If the blog looks promising, look at the comments section below the listing. Buyers often ask questions here. This can help you understand what others are concerned about. You can also ask your own questions. Click the Contact Seller button to start a conversation. You can ask for more details about the blog, how it's run, or what tools it uses. Try to learn if the content is original, how often it needs updates, and how the blog gets its traffic. Once you're ready to move forward, look at how the sale works. Some listings are auctions, while others have a fixed price or buy it now option. If it's an auction, you will need to place a bid. If it's a fixed price, you can click Buy it now and follow the steps to pay. Flippa uses escrow to handle payments, which keeps your money safe until the transfer is complete. After you pay, the seller will start transferring the blog to you. This includes the domain name, website files, hosting, and any accounts connected to the blog. Make sure to keep communication clear. Ask for all the login credentials you need. This can include WordPress, hosting, email, social media, or affiliate accounts. Once the transfer is done, confirm with Flippa so they can release the payment to the seller. Finally, take time to review the site once you own it. Check that everything works. Look through the content. Connect your own tools like Google Analytics or AdSense. If you plan to grow the blog, make a plan for writing new posts, updating old ones, and driving traffic. That's it. You've now learned how to buy a website for blogging on Flippa. This process helps you get a running start instead of building from zero. Take your time, do research, and ask questions. Flippa is a helpful platform, but it's up to you to make smart choices. I have mentioned a link in the description to create an account and to be able to buy a website through Flippa.